Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're diving deep into the Launch X431 Pro Elite, one of the most powerful professional-grade OBD2 scanners on the market right now. If you're a DIY mechanic, a car enthusiast, or even a professional technician, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. The Launch X431 Pro Elite is a top-tier bidirectional diagnostic tool that offers comprehensive system coverage for most vehicles worldwide. Whether you drive an Asian, European, or American car, this tool promises dealer-level diagnostics and advanced features usually found in tools costing thousands more. So, what makes the X431 Pro Elite stand out? Let's break down its key features. Bidirectional control. This means you can command actuators directly from the scanner. Want to test your fuel pump, radiator fan, or door locks? No problem. Full system diagnostics. It goes beyond just reading and clearing engine codes. You can diagnose ABS, SRS, transmission, body, and more, covering over 10,000 car models. ECU coding and adaptations perform functions like matching new components, resetting adaptive data, and more. 31 plus reset services, including oil reset, EPB, SAS, DPF regen, throttle reset, battery registration, injector coding, and more. Multiple expansion modules supported, like videoscope, oscilloscope, sensor box, multimeter, Wi-Fi printer, and more. Online updates and 2-year free software. Stay current with new car models and functions. Android tablet with a tint screen, responsive touchscreen, intuitive interface, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity to the diagnostic module. It also offers live data in both graphical and numerical formats, and you can record or play back data for in-depth analysis. One of my favorite features is the ability to perform active tests. For example, I was able to cycle the ABS pump and bleed the brakes without any extra tools. The X431 Pro Elite comes with a rugged rubberized case that can handle workshop abuse. The diagnostic module connects wirelessly via Bluetooth, so you don't have to sit cramped in the driver's seat. This scanner supports all OBD2 protocols and works on vehicles as far back as 1996 in the US, and even older for some international models. It also supports multiple languages, making it versatile for workshops around the world. Pros: extensive vehicle coverage, powerful bidirectional controls, frequent updates, 2-year free software. Cons: premium price tag, can feel overwhelming for beginners. Some advanced features limited on specific car models. If you are purchasing this scanner, please check out the links in the description below. If you're looking for a scanner that can do it all, from reading basic OBD2 codes to programming new components, the Launch X431 Pro Elite is hard to beat. But if you only need basic code reading, you might find it overkill. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.